It's another day in Cook with the Lawyer's Recipes kitchen. We're making ogbono soup today. The simplest way to make ogbono will be unraveled today. Sit back and watch. Welcome back. To make this, you need palm oil. The pot is already on the gas. You add your palm oil. When it's heated up, you add your blended pepper mix and onion mix. I like to fry first because the aroma it gives to my ogbono makes you want to eat all the time. After frying it, you add your seasoning cube, add your Okporoko stockfish head, add water. I usually soak my Okporoko, especially when I want to do emergency soup. So I soak the Okporoko in a clean water because I will use the water as stock. Add your salt. There's no special formula to make your soup or to add your ingredients. The end point is the ultimate. Add your crayfish, blended crayfish. I eat a lot of crayfish. I don't joke with it. You add your fish. I'm using asa fish. I love asa. Asa is very good in ogbono soup. You stir. You give it a stir. After stirring it, you cover the pot. You add your cheva spice. This is the soup condiment. It contains dawa, ugwu, anything you can think of they use in making soup. African soup, that is what I mean. We're making ogbono, remember? You give it a stir. I like my ogbono to be very thick. The consistency is what matters. If you are from the old bendel, you know ogbono is our thing. So you are at the right place, learning how to make your ogbono. You add your periwinkle. Sometimes I add it as the last thing. Remember, you have to taste for salt. You allow it to boil. Now you add your ogbono. If you are not a pro, don't apply this method of adding ogbono because it's going to form lumps. At this point, what you do is add your ogbono to oil, heat it up before you add it. But because I am a pro mass in making ogbono, that is why I could take that risk. You give it a stir. Our soup is almost ready. The last thing I add to my ogbono is I dice onions and add to it. It gives it this unique taste you would want to eat all the time. You give it a stir. Our soup is ready. Remember to subscribe to our channel. Follow us on our social media handles. Thank you for watching.